When you see the message saying "without changing gear, consult workshop" in your Mercedes, it means there was a problem inside the automatic transmission. Usually it's connected with one of the solenoids not reaching the desired position, which can basically happen in 3 cases. The first culprit is the voltage in your main and auxiliary batteries. If you see this message popping up for several seconds when you start the car and then it disappears and the vehicle works well, this is most likely a battery problem. The solenoids in your transmission are operated by control units using electrical power, so when the voltage drops in the system, they will certainly have issues. You may try charging both batteries, but if they are quite old, like 5 years or older, it makes sense to replace them. Secondly, the issue may be caused by old or low transmission fluid. If the fluid is too thick or the fluid pressure is out of the normal range, you will see this warning as one of the early signs of failure. In this case, the fluid change is what you need to consider as soon as possible. Of course, if your transmission has a deep stick, it would be nice to check the fluid level and look at its condition. And thirdly, this may happen in vehicles with high mileage on them before the transmission valve body is about to die. I wouldn't say it's common for Mercedes transmissions, so in 99% of cases you will have issues with the battery or transmission fluid.